Helicopter Flying Handbook 5.1 Rotorcraft Flight Manual. As we immerse ourselves in the world of Rotorcraft Flight Manuals, RFM, a crucial guide that shapes our journey through the skies, let's unravel the intricacies of its contents and the regulations that govern its use. Initially, RFMs were a diverse array, lacking a standardized format and vital information. This narrative shifted with the embrace of the General Aviation Manufacturers Association, GAMA, specification for a pilot's operating handbook, PO. A beacon that brought forth a uniform structure for all general aviation airplane and rotorcraft flight manuals. Though often interchangeably referred to as a pilot's operating handbook, the term rotorcraft flight manual holds its regulatory essence. The FAA demands inclusion of a statement on the title page if pilot's operating handbook is the chosen moniker, affirming its approval as an FAA-sanctioned RFM. Our journey through an FAA-approved RFM reveals a composition of up to 10 sections, each a vital piece of the puzzle. From general information to safety and operational tips, each segment plays a unique role in furnishing essential insights. Diving into the preliminary pages, we find unique fingerprints that distinguish each RFM from the next. The serial number and registration, akin to a birth certificate, adorn the title page, ensuring individuality. While the table of contents maps the RFM's terrain, some manuals boast a log of changes, a testament to the evolving nature of aviation wisdom. Now, let's navigate through the first two sections, the general information and operating limitations. In the general information section, Section 1, we encounter a treasure trove of details about the rotorcraft and its beating heart, the power plant. A three-view drawing unfolds, a visual feast of dimensions and proportions, aiding pilots in swift familiarization. Definitions, abbreviations, symbology explanations, and metric conversion tables, if chosen by the manufacturer, grace this section. The operating limitations section, Section 2, stands as a bastion of regulations and guidelines crucial for safe operations. Here, we encounter a kaleidoscope of vital information: airspeed limitations, altitude constraints, and rotor limitations. Instrument markings, color-coded ranges, and placards serve as signposts, guiding pilots through the nuanced dance of safe operation. The airspeed indicator unveils its secrets through color-coded arcs: a green haven for continuous operation, a red frontier denoting limits where structural damage looms, and a yellow transition zone sounding a note of caution. Altitude limitations find their place, especially concerning maximum operating density altitude and its variations based on gross weights. Rotor limitations, governed by RPM ranges, reveal the delicate balance between lift and structural integrity. Power on and power off limitations weave a narrative of safe operation, with green arcs, red lines, and yellow transitions delineating the bounds. In the power plant limitations realm, we traverse through the intricacies of engines, deciphering RPM ranges, power limits, operating temperatures, and fuel and oil prerequisites. Turbine engines and reciprocating engines unfold their stories, with maximum power and maximum continuous power ratings etched in yellow and green arcs on the instruments. As we delve into the markings on a typical dual-needle tachometer in a reciprocating engine helicopter, we witness the visual language that pilots must master. The outer band mirrors the limits when the engine propels the rotor, while the inner band signifies the power-off limits. In essence, the RFM emerges as a regulatory document, dictating maneuvers, procedures, and operating limitations, a sacred text for every rotorcraft pilot. As we delve deeper into the pages of the Rotorcraft Flight Manual, RFM, our journey leads us through the intricacies of sections 3 to 7, each holding a crucial piece of the operational puzzle. In Section 3, Emergency Procedures we encounter concise checklists, guiding us through recommended procedures and airspeeds for various emergencies and critical situations. From engine failure to tail rotor failures and fires, these checklists serve as lifelines in moments of crisis. Manufacturers often present these checklists in both abbreviated and amplified forms, ensuring clarity and readiness. The importance of learning the initial steps of each checklist cannot be overstated, providing a foundation for rapid and effective response to unexpected challenges. Transitioning to Section 4, Normal Procedures we find ourselves in the heart of routine operations. Commencing with airspeed listings crucial for safe flight, this section unfolds a series of checklists covering pre-flight inspections, engine startup, rotor engagement, ground checks, takeoff, approach, landing, and shutdown. Here, the reliability of checklists shines as a guiding beacon, preventing the omission of critical steps. In Section 5, Performance we step into the realm of operational boundaries and capabilities. Though not a limitation section, straying beyond the documented performance parameters can be perilous. Charts, graphs, and tables, adorned with calibrated versus indicated airspeed conversion, hovering ceiling versus gross weight, and height velocity diagrams, equip pilots with the tools to understand and navigate the helicopter's performance intricacies. Our exploration continues with Section 6, Weight and Balance a critical segment for ensuring the aircraft's equilibrium. Laden with information required by the FAA, this section encompasses sample problems to aid pilots in computing the proper data. Now, we find ourselves in Section 7, Aircraft and Systems Description a treasure trove for those eager to comprehend the intricate systems that power and control the aircraft. From the most basic to the most complex helicopters, this section offers a window into the manufacturer's depiction of these systems. As we conclude our journey through the intricacies of the Rotorcraft Flight Manual, RFM, let's explore the final sections, embracing the essence of maintenance, optional equipment, and a compendium of safety wisdom. Section 8, Handling, Servicing, and Maintenance unveils a realm of paramount importance. Here, the manual elucidates maintenance and inspection guidelines crafted by the manufacturer and mandated by regulations. The intricate dance of Airworthiness Directive, AD, compliance procedures is choreographed, and pilots, operators are guided on ensuring the meticulous execution of maintenance tasks. This section doesn't merely dictate, it empowers, offering insights into preventative maintenance within the purview of certificated pilots. Ground handling procedures, including considerations for hangaring, tie-down, and general storage procedures, complete this segment, ensuring the holistic well-being of the helicopter. Section 9. Supplements opens a door to optional equipment, providing a tailored guide for helicopters adorned with unique enhancements. Whether the information emanates from the aircraft manufacturer or the optional equipment creator, it finds its home in this section. Pilots, akin to codebreakers, decode these supplements, integrating them into their daily checklists. This intricate dance ensures that every procedure, born of the installed equipment and approved company protocols, is seamlessly woven into the fabric of operational routine. In the realm of Section 10, Safety and Operational Tips optional yet invaluable, a repository of wisdom awaits. Best operating practices, recommended procedures, and a plethora of safety-enhancing insights grace these pages. From understanding physiological factors to navigating weather nuances, conserving fuel, and heeding external load warnings, this section is a reservoir of insights that, if heeded, could stand as sentinels against emergencies. From the nuts and bolts of maintenance to the ethereal realms of safety wisdom, the RFM stands as a beacon. It's not merely a manual, it's a guide, a sage companion for pilots navigating the skies. This chapter's parting words resonate with the essence of our journey. Understanding the RFM isn't just about compliance, it's about enhancing the safety of flight.